Hello everybody, welcome to a tutorial on how to mod Super Mario World for the SNES. And this tutorial will be showing you the basics for modding your ROM. And it will be covering like placing down blocks and placing down a Goomba or something. So what you want to do first is you want to download Lunar Magic and export the file. And then when you're done downloading Lunar Magic, grab a copy of Super Mario World. Once you downloaded the ROM, open up Lunar Magic, and then open up where the ROM is basically. So you want to open that up. It should be in SMC format. And what you're going to see first is basically just 1-1 from Super Mario World. And we're going to be editing it today. So what you want to do first is, this is basically like you can edit it now. What you want to do is where my cursor is right now, the grass tile, layer 1 editing mode. Make sure you're on that. Actually, first of all, we'll just go through the buttons at the top. This folder icon opens the game. And this folder icon, there's 3 different folder icons. This opens recent games. And this folder icon, open level number. So basically each level has a number. So the 1-1 is 105. And 1-2, if I can, is 106. And 1-3 is 103. And 1-4 is 102. And 1-castle is 101. So there's all the World 1 levels right there. I will be showing you how to see all the level numbers in a later part in this series. But for right now, we're just gonna edit the first level and test it out in the emulator. So you want this grass tile clicked? Make sure you're on it, and go to this flip block. And when you've pressed the flip block, you want to scroll down, and this is all the objects for Super Mario World. Well, not all the objects, it's just the objects in this level. I'll be covering how to change those objects in a little later part. But for right now, we just want to make some simple changes. So maybe like adding a semi-solid, or doing something simple just to show off how to use the editor and all that fun stuff. So you can use your scroll wheel to go up and down the list, and you can left click on an object and then right click it in the level to paste the object. And now if I were to save it right now, it would have this object right there. And if I were to play this level, it would have that object right there. So that is basically just how you place objects. I'm gonna make like a little slope here just for fun, and then test it out in the editor just like that. And now that's your editing. You just edited Super Mario World. So what to do, how to edit sprites, is you want to click this little shell icon, save the level. You save the level with this little save button right here, save level to ROM. You want to click on the shell, sprite editing mode, and then close out of the objects menu. Go to this little baby Yoshi, add sprites window. And this is all the sprites for the level you're in right now. I'll also cover changing those in a later level too. So let's say we want to put down a Yoshi. green Yoshi at the beginning of the level, and throw block, no limit. Maybe a flower too, right here. And you can place all, like, you can just mess around, place a Koopa, you can place a blue Koopa, all that fun stuff. You got all the entities just in this little menu. So now that you've learned how to place entities and place objects, save the level and test it out in an emulator, or as I want to open up your emulator. SNES 9X is the one I use. It's very common. And then open up the ROM that you just edited. When you want to go to File, and then Load Game. Once you've done that, you can just play Mario World. Welcome to Dinosaur Land in a strange land. Find that Princess Toadstool is missing again. Looks like Bowser is at it again. So you can skip that. Go down to Yoshi's Island 1. This is the level we edited, and voila, there's our Yoshi. You grab that coin. There's an infinite throw block. Here's a fire flower, and you can just throw this throw block, and it will go forever. It's very long. Alright, so that is the basics on how to mod Super Mario World for the SNES using a computer. And I'll see you in the next part, and which will be covering slightly more advanced object editing. And so see you in the next part. Bye.